Okay, we are in the HOH rainforest, and he's got his travel buggy, which has really been awesome for him because he had a stroke a few years ago and his left side was affected. So we found someone who had this, and we have been trying it out, which is working so much better than a regular wheelchair because he can maneuver this by himself a lot easier with the handle, with the handle, but the what's that called, the gear thing, maneuvering it, and it folds up.
I would highly recommend this.
Yeah, and see, it has a foot for his footrest, and it has a little bag storage underneath. And it goes pretty fast too. And it has a little storage for cups or just little things like that. Yeah. You can have little storage back here too. This is the way the back looks. And we did have a little issue with the handle to release and fold it up, but we are going to fix that. We got the replacement part for it. But it's very cool. And it's a travel buggy. And it's really cool because he can get around more places now. Look how pretty it is here. The whole rainforest. In the Olympic Mountains, Washington State. And he was able to get a pass, lifetime pass, because that he had a stroke, so we got into the park. Isn't that awesome? I think that's just awesome for people. So take advantage of that too. If you have to have the placard, handicap placard, but it's really awesome.
Yeah, if you're disabled, don't pass up that one.
Yeah, that was really awesome.
It's a free pass. It's for your lifetime, and you get half off on camping.
Yeah. So we're really thrilled about that. And it's called Travel Buggy. So they've been really good. I highly recommend it if you want to get out and about. And it's just so lightweight. It's like alloy tubing. And the breakdown is really easy. You just collapse these little, see, there's these little things here. These things I have to fix and put the handle. It usually has a handle there. And the whole thing collapses down to like a pancake. And then you fold it and you can put it right in the back of your car. And we have a little Subaru. And we just put it in there. And we're good to go. So yeah. It's pretty awesome. Hi, how are you?
Good, how about yourself?
Good. Beautiful hair. So beautiful here. Yeah. Look how pretty it's fall. And all the leaves are falling. So pretty. Look at that. Beautiful fall time. So pretty.
Beautiful,
Yeah.